Hello, very first time doing a voiceover, so bear with me, I hate my voice. So today we're going to learn how to do the black smoky look with just black and dark and smoky as possible. So straight away I've went in with the 252 MAC flat brush with a PLouise roomer. I've went in and started to carve out my eyebrows, leaving a kind of gap to give me that fluffy brow look that we're going to do a wee bit later on. I'm just carving out the brow and then I'll bring it into all of my lid and I'll start patting that product in. So now I'm just going in with the Revolution Rimmel black gel eyeliner. I'm going in with a small fluffy brush and I'm just starting to work that gel liner into the socket. I don't want to bring it too high. I'm just patting the product on, trying to carve out a kind of curved shape and bringing it just as high as just above the start of the crease. Don't want to go any higher because we're going to start blending it through in with the concealer. Once you've done that, you're going to then get a nice other fluffy brush and start packing in a black shadow. The shadow I used was from the Certify palette. I'm going to start packing that in and blending it through with the concealer that we've put on from the PLouise. Now we're going to go in with a kind of bigger brush than we used for the black shadow and we're going in with a darker brown. We're just going to place this on top of the start of the blend of the black shadow. Don't worry if it goes onto the black at all because we always go back in and repeat our process. So we're going to go back in with the black brush and the black shadow after we've done this step. After you do that, you then go in with a medium shade kind of brown. And then blend that all together with a nice clean fluffy brush and use a sort of mustardy yellowy colour to blend all that together.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much. No, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. So, you are like me, wanna be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy. But baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down.
I'm now going in with the MAC 252 flat brush that I used for my crease, and I'm going in with the Acid Rain by PLouise and Mmmmitchell in the black canvas. The reason I'm doing that is because I've got a couple of acne spots, so I want to cover them up by just kind of patting that product into the skin first, and it will give you a flawless finish in the end. I'm now going in with the Lime Crime pencil, just to give myself little strokes to make the illusion of hair and to give a nice fluffy brow. I'm going to do that with the gap that we've used when we carve the brows, just to give the illusion of a nice big fluffy thick brow. I'm now going in with some lashes by Designer Lashes in the style GG. What I've done is I've used some of the latex free eyelash glue to put onto the band of the lashes and then place it onto the eye. Take it away, sit it and fan it for about 15 seconds and then pop it straight back onto the eye. This is so much easier, and because we've got the stickiness on the eyelash, it already goes straight in for you. Now I'm going in with a damp beauty blender, and I'm just patting some strobe cream from MAC into the skin and blending the patches that I'd put on for my acne. We now go in with the same beauty blender with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in shade 255. Just patting that all into the product, into the skin, just making sure it's really pressed in there, you're not leaving any oily residue. So now we're using the Certified Jewel Contour Palette, just putting that on to give the illusion of a bronzier face, kind of diminish any kind of chunky bits I want going on my face, just make myself look a little bit more snatched and a little bit more thinner, because as you can see throughout the whole video, I have a lot of chins. So just blend that in with a nice fluffy brush. I'm going to go in then and start doing the under eye. I always start doing all this bit first, just because it's better to fix any problems if it's creamy on the base, instead of having to put all your powder and stuff on and then having to try and fix it. So I'm just going in with that gel liner back into the under eye and into the line as well, blending it through with a nice fluffy brush. Then get into the Carnival palette by Stacey Marie, and using a nice hot pink colour and a hot purple colour with a little bit of mustard shade as well, and it'll just give you a nice pop of colour instead of having so much black all over the eye. Now using the Revolution concealer and just highlighting any areas under the eye, forehead, down the nose, blending that in with the damp beauty blender as well. Then I'll use the Doll Beauty in shade medium, just to bronze the forehead, the side of the cheeks, just under the jaw, nose and under the lip as well. Under the lip gives you the illusion of a fuller lip underneath if it's shadowed. I'll then go in with some Gold Crush by Kat Von D for the highlighter, and I'll just use the strobe cream from MAC to put down sort of a wet base first, just to pop that highlighter on top to give you quite a metallic-y, wetty look first. Now going in with the MAC lip liner in shade Cork, just getting a pencil brush and blending it all in, and then going on top with some MAC lipstick in the shade Flesh Pop and a little bit of Peaches and Cream for the lip gloss on top in shade Honey. And that is your finished look. So thank you for watching. And thank you for taking your time to listen to my drone voice because I was so nervous, but hopefully I'll get to do these soon.